Alright everyone, a quick and short video today on how to replace the OEM antenna mast, the big old spring-loaded RC car looking thing, to the Craven Speed Stubby. So as you can see, here's the full size and the stubby's gonna drop it off to right about here. So let me show you really quick how to do this. To remove the antenna, short and sweet, just twist it to the left, lefty-loosey. And that's it. Alright, so once you're ready to install the stubby, just grab your stubby and it literally just screws right on. One little neat feature I want to point out is it does have a little bit of an overhang too. So when it does install, no water can really kind of fall into the hole in there. So that's kind of neat. To put it in, just stick it in and twist it to the right, righty-tighty. You do have the stubby logo. I've tried screwing it in a bunch of different ways and honestly it always shows up on the outside. So just put it in, twist, 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 give it a good tighten. I'm going to tighten it so it's sticking to the back, just kind of, and there you go. And that's it. And once it's all installed, this is kind of what it will look like. Let me give you different angles here. Short and simple. I know it's a little bit ridiculous to make a video on it, but maybe somebody wanted to see how it looks from different angles. Thanks for watching.